We're doing a nice long walk today. Started off when it was dark. Sun's coming up. And we're on our way back home. And she was not happy. She wanted to go for a longer walk and watch the train going past. There's a couple of trains going. So, but I think the one that's just left is going to the port of Brisbane. So the one that was going outbound, out west, has already passed through town. Sniff now. Sniff. And sadly they're only freight. So they carry coal, and most of the coal out to the port. Sometimes they carry zinc and lead. But most of those, the zinc and lead ones usually don't come through town. Usually it's just the coal ones that come through town. And the odd bit of other freight, which is pretty rare. Sadly, the passenger train hasn't restarted. So it's been shut down since 2019 when COVID hit. And they never started up the passenger service again. I think a lot of it is to do with that they don't have any trains, no engines to pull the carriages. Because in the state government's wisdom, they sold off the power plants, thinking, oh, the line's all electrified. We don't need engines anymore. Problem is, our line out here, it's not electrified. It's only southeast Queensland and central coast is actually electrified. The rest of it is not. And without engines to pull the carriages, the service hasn't continued, hasn't restarted. Which is very, very unfortunate. So we've been after a high-speed rail for, gosh, 9 years now, about. So our council really want it. And that way people can take public transport into the city for work. Because at the moment the only thing we've got is buses, and I don't think taking a 4-hour bus trip is ridiculous to get to work. We'll see you later, everyone. Take care. Fantastic day. Hopefully we'll get home, probably within half an hour of the sun coming up, so she doesn't get too hot. It's going to be a very, very hot day today. See yous.